Hello. So today in this video we are going to see how to create a system restore point and how to use the same on Windows 10. A system restore point may help you in reverting your system back to a healthy point in case you are facing issues in boot up after an update installation or installing any new software or device drivers. To create a system restore point, you have to go for the search menu. In that search menu, you can type like create a system restore point, system restore, system recovery, or any such keywords so that you can get this option, create a restore point. Once you get this option, create a restore point, you need to click upon it and it will open a window new. Here in the bottom part of the window, you can see that the create button is unavailable. To enable it, first you have to enable protection. You can do so by clicking upon the configure button placed above it. Then turn on system protection and click on apply. OK. You can see that the create button is now enabled for local disk C. You can do the same for all other drives. So for creating a restore point, first you need to type in a name so that you can recognize which point or which file you need to bring back the system upon. So as I am writing here before Windows update. So if anything goes wrong in the Windows update, I have my system restore point created and I can revert it back here. So now clicking on OK, it is creating a restore point. And when you create a restore point, the date and time is automatically saved. So if you are unable or if you forget to do the same, don't worry about it. You will be able to see the date and the time that the restore point has been created. Also, restore points are created automatically by the system before any big installation, any important installation. So here you can see the restore point was created successfully. So now you can close this window. Now to see if the restore point that you have created is properly saved or not, you can again go through the same options, that is create a restore point, and here you can click upon system restore, which you can also use to restore a system if you are facing any issues. So just to show you here that here the date and time is displayed and description that I have given to this restore point, and the type, that is manual, that is created manually. Also you can use this option scan for affected programs. So it will scan the system and show you the list of programs that have been affected recently due to any updates or installations. So once you are ready for restoring system, you can select that restore point and click on next. Right now I don't want to click restore the system, therefore I am closing it. If you want, you can click upon next and the system will show you this necessary steps and you can get your system restored. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.